Hi, Namaste. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. In this video, let us discuss a basic common point in so many people who wants to learn English. That is being lazy. Am I right? Yes, because there are millions of people who wants to learn English. They want to speak English fluently. It is a big dream for them to achieve fluency. They want to work in corporates and work in real estates and work in many other places utilizing the opportunity of speaking English that they gained. Okay, they want to achieve fluency. It is a big dream, big achievement for them, for millions of people, but they are not able to do it because they just feel lazy. If you think that you are alone in this journey and you are the one who is facing the same problem, then this video is for you. So please watch the video till the end and let me know whether you found it useful or not. Okay. Now, what is laziness actually while coming to language learning? You have a big dream to speak in English. Am I right? But what happens is that once you start thinking about how to learn English, the first question that arises is that where to start? Either I need to read first, or I need to speak first, or I need to listen first. Okay? Or I need to start writing first by learning words. What to do? What is the first thing I need to do if I want to learn English? That is the first question that arises in your mind, and you will think that, oh, okay, English is not a very easy subject. Okay, English is a very tough language. English is very hard to master. So you feel that, okay, not today. The next day, tomorrow, I'm going to start with enthusiasm, with fresh mind, early in the morning, having a good timetable. When tomorrow comes, you will again think and just postpone this process of starting this learning journey. That is where each and everyone is getting stuck. Okay, you need to understand that English is just a language. English is just a mode of communication. English makes you feasible to move to any place you want, and as it is a global language, you can work with any person and you can expand your knowledge in any subject. Okay, because most of the subjects are in English and you can expand your knowledge. You can travel wherever you want, in whatever thing you want, you can explore more, right? So why do you stop your dreams? You need to chase your dreams. You should not put a full stop to your dreams. So whenever you have a question of where to start, believe me, my friends, daily 20 minutes is truly enough. Okay? SLRW. SLRW. Speaking, listening, reading, writing. Okay, just these are the four skills that you want to initially start if you want to learn English, right? Then why are you procrastinating? Why are you being lazy? Just spend 5 minutes for each of the task each and every day. Okay, if you don't want to do at a stretch 20 minutes, if you don't want to spend at a stretch 20 minutes, just start with early morning. After you wake up, listen to an audio of 5 minutes in English. Okay, listen to a short story, or listen to a podcast, or listen to any motivational speech that motivate you. Am I right? It is not such a hard task. It is not a hard task. You can spare 5 minutes early in the morning, I am damn sure. Next, whenever you find some spare time, try to speak in English. Okay, what you have listened, try to speak the same thing, try to speak that same matter in your own words in English, or just try to repeat that whatever you have listened for 5 minutes each and every day. Is it a very big task to spend 5 minutes for speaking what you have listened? No, right? And next, coming to reading. Why don't you read bedtime stories for your kids? Or if you are studying, why don't you read articles or news that is very important? Okay? If you are studying, if you are in any professional studies, if you are doing any professional studies, you can study in the night related to your subjects in the evening in English. Explore more into your subject, okay? Or read any article, read about your favorite heroes. There are so many articles, beautiful articles. Try to read for 5 minutes, or if not possible, try to read storybooks. You have so many choices. And next, before going to bed, start journaling. Write down whatever you have done today. Maintain a diary or start preparing a to do list. Okay? Just for 5 minutes. If you are not able to write 5 minutes, it's okay if you write 2 minutes or 3 minutes also. Okay? But what is my intention is that you need to start doing it at least for 5 minutes from today. 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, and 5 minutes writing is not at all a big task. Okay? You have 24 hours in your hands, and I am just asking you 20 minutes. Such a huge gap, right? Can't you spare it? I am absolutely sure that you can spare 20 minutes of your time in order to achieve your dreams, in order to chase your dreams, in order to explore the world, in order to interact with so many people, in order to express your views, in order to share your knowledge to many people, right? You may be the person who wants to teach English to so many people because you know the struggles of learning English, right? So you may speak fluently one day and you may become the teacher of English. You may teach so many people how to achieve fluency. So why do you want to miss that chance? No, right? You want to utilize your life to help so many people. Am I right? You want to help others, right? If you have faced issues and you are facing problems while learning English, there are so many people who may think that, oh, I have faced this problem and I don't want anyone to face that same problem. I want to help them, right? Are you the same person? Do you want to help others? Then stop being lazy and start with just 20 minutes, sparing 5 minutes for each and every task. Okay? So this is my advice. And another thing I wanted to tell you is that practice whatever you have listened on the same day. Early in the morning, when you listen to anything, try to speak it out in your own words. Okay? And in English only. And try to write down. If you are interested, try to write down. Okay? Try to write down stories of what you have listened. In this way, your creativity comes out. You can frame new sentences in English. Okay? Your sentence structure, sentence formation capability will increase day by day. Try visualization technique. After 6 months, I am going to become a fluent English speaker. After 6 months, I am helping so many people who wants to learn English. After 6 months, I will be in a position where each and every one of my each and every one of my family member is proud of me. After 6 months, I am able to speak English in such a way that is inspiring and motivating to so many people. Tell these type of words to yourself each and every day before going to sleep and visualize. Just sit in a room and think of that positive energy. Okay? Just grasp that positive energy inside you by telling the positive affirmations, positive motivation lines. Okay? So try to use this visualization technique to speak English fluently. Okay? Trust me, friends, if you feel that by watching this motivating video, will I be able to learn English? Then I can't guarantee you, because any work, any task that you want to do does not rely purely on motivation. Okay? After watching this video today, you may feel motivated. You may start your English learning journey. Okay, 5 minutes. Definitely I will go to I am going to do it. I can easily achieve 5 minutes each and every day for each and every task, and I can spare 20 minutes. First day you will be motivated, second day motivated, okay. Second day you will be motivated, and third day you will slightly forget about this video and you will not be motivated, and fourth day you will eventually stop this process of learning journey. That should not be the case. You should not rely on motivation. You should be disciplined, okay. Discipline is truly important. Daily, please spare 20 minutes of your day into learning this particular language, okay. Start thinking in English. Start about what should I do to learn English in English, okay. Try to surround yourself in English. Try to just switch your native language to English. Day by day, each and every day, small progress each and every day eventually results to massive achievements, okay. One day spending 8 hours may not be fruitful, but each day spending 20 minutes is truly fruitful for 1 month. Try it, okay. For 1 month, just try to be consistent. Try to start sparing 20 minutes. Make time to learn English. Don't be lazy. Make time to learn English. Don't just take in the input activities only. Just do the output activities also, like speaking and writing, okay. Listening and reading are the input activities, right. Do the output activities also, so that in the later on stages you can do the interactive activities also, which is truly important to share your opinions with other persons. So my dear friends, I truly want you to start your English learning journey without being lazy, at least from now, okay. I want you to type in the comments, yes, I am starting my English learning journey right now, okay. Please start your English learning journey right now, and we shall see why we will not be able to achieve fluency within 6 months, okay. So just stand by my side and start speaking English. Start sparing 20 minutes of your time from today. Just open my videos. There are n number of videos. You can find the change in my fluency. See how I did my first video and how I am making my videos right now. I used to have a script, I used to have this, that, so much. But now I am speaking on spot, okay. I am sharing my experiences with you people, which is truly important. I know the pain of how you feel when you want to learn a language and you are not able to achieve it. You are not able to speak it. I know that pain. I am here to help you. Just one thing you need to do is that you need to be consistent. You need to reach out to me each and every day, okay. So try to be consistent and spare 20 minutes each and every day. Just comment below, yes, I am going to start my English learning journey right now. I am going to see the comments. I am going to read the comments. If you feel motivated, please let me know, and please encourage me also to make such videos. I am truly interested to make videos that encourage you people to learn English. So now let us do a mini task. Now I will tell you 3 sentences. You just repeat after me. Yes, yes, my dear friends, you just repeat after me right now. Okay? Come. Hi, Mrs. Gowthami. Come on, repeat after me. Hi, Mrs. Gowthami. I am going to become a fluent English speaker within 6 months. Repeat. I am going to become a fluent English speaker within 6 months. Very good, my dear friends. Next, repeat after me. I am not going to procrastinate at all. I am not going to procrastinate at all. I will definitely achieve my dreams. I will definitely achieve my dreams. Okay? I hope you have repeated each and every sentence after me. Thank you, my dear friends. And if you find this video useful, please give a like to it and encourage me. Each and every like encourages me a lot and motivates me to do more and more videos. So that is all for today. Meet you soon. And if you are new and if you like this concept or if you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.